Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock, guys. Today is most likely the final test for the bulls, and also usually I would do Nvidia videos in the morning, and there might be another one coming out. So on Nvidia as well after Tesla, but I would highly suggest that on Nvidia, check this video out of mine yesterday that I did in the evening, how to trade last day before split. It's the same. Still, it's valid for today as well, the price action. So everything that you need to know is already in this video. And as for after I'm done with the Tesla video, if I'll get time, I'll take a look at Nvidia as well again. But definitely there will be a video coming out today. Regardless. So, but it's just that the timing might be a little bit later today because that video is still valid, and just follow through that I just showed you on my channel. All right, let's jump into Tesla. But before that, I also want to let you know none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes. All right, so yes, so today seems like a final test for the bulls. We are above 20 and 50 days moving average as well, and the bulls have been holding the 175 demand zone, and today we are going up. Well, going up in the sense is that, and also I'm saying it's the final test for the bulls, is because you see this 1 hour we had a huge sell-off, but bulls still held the level at a higher pivot than yesterday, right? We have this pivot now ongoing. So that is a good confirmation, just above $175, right? But not just that, this area of 178 where Tesla has always been, like, for a month been rejecting, right? Sellers have been coming right over here. We want to close into this or above this, and above this would be $180. Now, I want to show you just around my day trading bot as well, because the buy position is already given on this, and here you go. So, and you can see the data, it's profitable, and the price action is looking as well bullish, and I'll talk about that as well in just a second. But this is that. Again, I'll want to go over the levels as well below what I would be worried, but I highly doubted that I would be seeing that. But let's go through that as well. So let's go to the 5 minutes first, and then let's go over those levels where I would be worried if the price action breaks below that today. So right now, as you can see, we had a good demand candle here as well, right, when the market opened. And then look at it, all the pullbacks, like it was a pain to hold through this, right? But bull still held that demand zone, and also the previous yesterday area of this support area of consolidation, I should say. And there's a level already showing up today, right? Day trading levels plus here. Now, if Tesla breaks today below 176 and 88 cents, then I'm worried. And that's the final test for the bulls. That bulls, if they can close today Tesla, let's say even if it doesn't go higher, but if they can close it just above 178 and 18 cents, this blue zone, wow, I love that candle, the way that is rolling up, right? But yeah, and better if we can get above $180 tomorrow. Look, the reason this whole sell-off is coming over here, well, it's why it's struggling here is because the supply zone that came in when the market opened, before the market opened. And that's the reason that the supply zone is acting. But at the same time, I'm seeing bulls are still holding strength. I showed you the pivot on the hourly interval, that bulls are holding that pivot. If even after that supply sell-off, right, on that hourly candle, bulls are still holding a good green strong candles on the hourly candle as well. So that's what you want to see in the intraday price action as well. That's a bullish sentiment. So today, as we get, well, looks great, right? The candles are coming in strong, but it's all about, we are just about to get out of the supply zone. And if you have seen my videos, not just on Tesla but Nvidia and all of the stocks that I do, these supply zones, the way to get out of these supply zones is that, yes, we will go through the rejection, but we need to hold the levels that Tesla is at least for now doing, and then slowly and slowly, as it absorbs the supply zone that Tesla has been doing here, that's what allows eventually to go higher. So it's good that we are not seeing a sell-off after that. We are seeing absorption of the supply zone, and that's what is giving that confidence that it may go higher. And fingers crossed, but looks like today bulls may pass this test. Let's see if by the end of the day we are able to close above $180. That will be a huge win on Tesla, because if I take you to the daily interval here, just getting above that $180 level is already taking out a lot of resistance. And what I have been saying is that all these short sellers piled up here in the supply zone, they have their stop losses up here. And that's going to create this buying momentum as well to the upside. And also the catalyst next week would be Elon's package. Hopefully it goes in the favor. And that's also something we need to be keeping an eye on. Now let's go to the weekly interval actually, because getting above 180 is also going to close this week above 20 weeks moving average. You can see from last 6 weeks we have been rejecting at 20 weeks moving average. But today, well, if we can close the day above this 20 weeks moving average, the yellow line, that's awesome as well. So that's something we need to see in Tesla. And I'm seeing there's still that struggle, struggle happening still on the price, 179 and 26 cents. No, looking great. So yep, getting out of the supply zone, guys. Really good pullback here. But anyways, this is what I want to talk about Tesla today, because I'm like, I gotta do this video because it's very important. Let's take a look at QQ and SPY as well. And yeah, bullish, purely bullish. And I'm pretty sure my bot would also have given a buy position on this as well. So let's go and take a look at that. Day trading bot is what I'm showing here. Yep. Oh, well, we got one partial profit as well on this already. Wow, great. Yeah, look at the data on the left side as well, guys. And let's see SPY. We got a buy. Oh yeah, we got a buy on SPY as well, and one partial profit position has also come. And data is on the left side, guys. All right. And if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. All right. Now, all right, guys. Well, that's it. And yes, SPY also on the daily interval is bullish, guys. I have been saying that any pullback to the left, 533 was a good new support, and you can see that's where we are getting bought back up. Full on bullish, and so is QQQ. Look at it, getting just bought back up into the pullbacks. Things are bullish, guys. So anyways, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.